Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Dakota, the place where we try to make sense of all the financial mumbo jumbo, and boy do we have a juicy one today about Flexible Solutions International Inc. because it looks like they've landed a new deal that really sweetens the pot. Alright, let's dive into this latest update from Flexible Solutions International Inc. It might seem like just another official report, but often these government filings tell us a lot about what's really going on behind the scenes with the company. So Flexible Solutions International Inc. This is a company that's been around for a while, but often flies under the radar a bit. Today we're looking at a filing that dropped on August 11th, 2025, and it's all about a significant new contract they've secured. The headline here is a brand new food grade contract for their plant in Illinois. Now this isn't just a little side deal. They're projecting that this contract could bring in anywhere from $6.5 million to $13 million and well from $6.5 million every single year. That's a huge range, and we'll talk about what that means in a bit, but it's a really substantial boost to their potential revenue. What's really cool about this is that they can start producing for this contract right away. No lengthy setup or waiting for new equipment. They can get production going immediately and ramp it up fast to hit those revenue targets. And here's the cherry on top for investors and the company itself. They don't need to spend any extra money on new machines or upgrades to handle this contract. This means whatever money comes in from this deal, a much larger portion of it will flow straight to their profits since they aren't facing immediate capital investment costs. That's a sign of smart, efficient growth. This information was officially announced via a press release on August 11th, 2025, which is what this filing is all about. Companies like Flexible Solutions International are required to disclose material information like this to the public, and that's where we get our intel. Now, you might be wondering what kind of company Flexible Solutions International is. They trade on the NYSE American under the ticker symbol FSI. That listing on a major exchange means they have to follow strict rules and report regularly. This particular filing focuses on a material definitive agreement, which in plain English means a big important contract that could really change things for the company. And this food grade contract certainly fits that description. This section of the filing is essentially a menu of all the attached documents that give proof to their announcements. It lists out the exhibits that support the information they're reporting. Here's where they mention the actual contract itself, the exhibit labeled 10.4. It's noted that it will be filed soon as well, which is standard practice for these kinds of agreements. It's the detailed blueprint of the deal. And this is exhibit 99.1, the press release that officially broke the news. This is the company's way of communicating directly with the market and the public about this significant development. Finally, Exhibit 104 refers to the interactive data file. This is a modern touch, making the filing more accessible and sortable digitally, which is a good sign of a company keeping up with technology in its reporting. And here we see the signature block showing that the report was signed off on August 5th, 2025 by Daniel B. O'Brien, who is the President and Chief Executive Officer. Having the CEO's signature emphasizes the importance of this filing. So what does this all mean for Flexible Solutions International? Landing a contract of this size, especially one that requires no immediate extra cash for equipment, is a huge win. It suggests they've either got spare capacity or they've strategically positioned themselves to take on new business efficiently. The wide revenue range from $6.5 million business efficiently. The wide revenue range from $6.5 million to something we'll want to watch. It could mean the contract has variable components, or perhaps they believe they can scale up significantly beyond initial expectations. This is where that Warren Buffett style of analysis comes in. You look at the potential, but you also consider the execution. The fact that they can scale up quickly and without extra capital is a massive positive sign for their operational efficiency and their ability to generate strong returns from this deal. It's like finding a great business that doesn't need a huge investment to grow, beyond initial expectations. This is where that Warren Buffett style of analysis comes in. You look at the potential, but you also consider the execution. The fact that they can scale up quickly and without... Now, for my take on Flexible Solutions International based on this report, this new food grade contract is undeniably a positive development. It signals growth and, importantly, efficient growth because they don't need new equipment. This can lead to strong profitability from this specific business line. The risk, as always, is in the execution and the certainty of that revenue range. If they can hit the higher end of that $6.5, $13 million projection consistently. Flexible Solutions could see a significant uplift in its financial performance. A key opportunity here is to see if they can replicate this success with other contracts or in other areas of their business, leveraging their existing infrastructure. The weakness, if any, would be if the market is already fully valued on this news or if there are unseen challenges in meeting the contract's specific food grade requirements consistently. But purely on the numbers presented and the operational efficiency described, this looks like a smart move that could really benefit the company moving forward. Alright, that's our breakdown of Flexible Solutions International's latest filing. What do you think about this new deal, and do you see it propelling the company to new heights? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this deep dive useful, please hit that like button. It really helps us out. And of course, subscribe to Corporate Decoder for more straight up financial insights. Don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.